Variation describes a relationship where a variable varies directly with the product of two or more other variables. If we say that z varies jointly as x and y, it means z equals to kxy.
If a variable z varies jointly as x and y, the relationship is written as z equals kxy. Z is the dependent variable and x and y are the independent variables. K is the constant of variation, a fixed number that relates the variables. Joint variation is a type of direct variation, but it involves more than one variable. All variables in the product is affected the outcome together. The constant K does not change unless the context of units change.
24 K to parenthesis 2 parenthesis 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then just copy the K. And you divide both sides to 6. 24 divided 6 equals 4. Cancel. 1.
You are baking cookies, and the amount of flour needed varies jointly as the number of cookies and the size of each cookie. When you bake 24 cookies of size 2 units, you need 480 grams of flour. How much flour is needed to make 30 cookies of size 3? So we take the variable of the flour, which is F, constant, then open parenthesis, then cookies, then close, then another open, then the size of the cookies. That's our formula. So since the flour is 480 grams, 480 grams, then we need to find a constant. The number of the cookies is 24, of the size 2. So 480 grams equals 48 K. So to find the constant, you need to multiply, you need to divide 48 to itself to cross it out. So like that. 480 divided by 48 is equals to
The power consumed by an electrical device varies jointly as the voltage and the current. A device uses 1,200 watts of power when running at 120 volts and 10 amps of current. What power is used if the voltage is 240 volts and the current is 15 amps?